So we'll just start with this one here. So which of the following are the correct arrangements of A equals 2B minus 10? Okay, so we know that there's many different arrangements you can have. So we're just going to rearrange these and see. We can see that each of these have B equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange this to B equals. Okay, so I'll start off by saying A is equal to 2B minus 10. The goal here is to get B by itself, and we can see that because each of these here have B equals. So we want B by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange these. We're going to bring this negative 10 across over the equal sign, and we'll get A plus 10 equals 2B. Okay, what we need to do next is we need to get B by itself. So in order to get B by itself, you can see here that we're timesing 2 by B. So to get B by itself, we need to divide both sides by 2. A plus 10, and like I said, you need to divide both sides by 2. If we divide the right hand side by 2, we'll just get B. If we divide the left hand side by 2, we'll get A plus 10 divided by 2. Now, that's one answer, but I'm just going to rearrange that so you can put the B in front. So B is equal to A plus 10 divided by 2. So like I said, that's one answer. Another variation of that would be B is equal to 10 plus A divided by 2. So I just rearrange my terms. They're the exact same thing. Another variation of that would be B is equal to A over 2 plus 10 over 2. Okay, and that links in with what we were doing with algebraic fractions. If they have the same denominator, we can pull them together. So similarly, if I have two terms over a denominator, I can separate them. And obviously I can simplify that by saying B is equal to A over 2 plus 5. Okay, and that's just simplifying this here to 5. So you should be able to spot all the different variations that you can have for the one expression or equation. So let's look and see. B equals A minus 10 over 2. There's no minus 10 over 2, so not this. So we're just going to cross that one out and say that's not going to be the case. So we'll put a red line through it, and we'll make sure that it's not that one. Okay, the second one, A over 2 plus 5. We can see that down here, so that one is correct. So that one is correct. The third one, A plus 10 over 2. A plus 10 over 2. That one is correct. The next one, A plus 2 over 10. A plus 2 over 10 is not correct, so then I'm going to put a line through that. A minus 2 over 10 is not correct, and 10 plus A over 2, 10 plus A over 2 is also correct, because we have that here. So our answer, we'll just fill in the answer at the very end, and the answer is going to be equal to B, C, and F. Because the question asks which of the following are correct arrangements. So B, C, and F are all correct.